5 AI video formats are generating hundreds of thousands of views right now. I'm going to show you all 5 with the exact prompts I use for each one, so you can start posting today. I'm Clint Adel from AITLDR. This channel is about one thing: the AI tools and video formats that actually get views. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 formats ready to go, with copy-paste prompts for each one. Let's get into it. Format 1. Talking fruit and food drama. This format has been blowing up. AI animated food characters with dramatic storylines. The hook is the absurdity. Tools: Dezeen AI or Google Flow. Pause the video and copy this prompt, or grab the full version below.
Hi, Tom.
These videos often get strong click-through rates because the thumbnail alone makes people curious. Pick one character, human, animal, fantasy, or even an object, and take them through a 3 to 5 scene storyline. The secret is using a detailed character consistency prompt. Screenshot this prompt or download the complete template below. Use Dezeen AI, ChatGPT, or Google Gemini image generation with the same reference image to keep every scene consistent. Format 3. Cinematic AI scene reveals. Start with a still image and transform it into a cinematic video using Higgsfield. The hook is watching the photo come to life. Save this prompt now. The full version is waiting below. This format is perfect for shorts because the transformation happens within the first 3 seconds. Format 4. AI art style showcases. Choose one subject and recreate it in 20 to 50 different art styles. Viewers keep watching because they want to see the next style. Want all the variations? Get the complete prompt below. Run this 20 to 50 times, use quick cuts, add music, and you're done. My art style showcase videos consistently get above average watch time because of the completion effect. Format 5. 11 Labs voice plus animation. Write your script first. Generate the voice in 11 Labs, then build the visuals around the finished audio. Audio-first content works even when people are listening without watching, which is how most people consume shorts. This format also scales into a full, faceless YouTube channel. Everything you need is linked below, including the full workflow.
Artificial intelligence just achieved something remarkable. It's now creating art that's indistinguishable from human-made work. The implications are absolutely mind-bending.
How exactly is this new AI image tool changing the creative landscape?
Now, if you want the exact prompts and step-by-step workflows for all 5 of these formats, I've packaged everything into my school community. The full animation prompt pack, the viral video workflow with all 5 formats, and everything I add going forward. Link is in the description. I've dropped it in the pinned comment too, so it's easy to find. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. I post new AI content every week. Drop a comment telling me which format you're going to try first. I read every one. See you on Monday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.